Alrighty then, this time I have the Philips Uplay HDMI Sync box, which is a bit of kit that connects your smart lights to the content that you watch on your telly, giving you a totally immersive colour experience. They say it's easy to install, set up and used, which is a triple whammy of very bold claims indeed. As with everything else, it comes with instructions. First of all, I suppose we stick the HDMI cable into the back of the telly. I can't see a thing. There you go. Stick this into that. Plug that in here. Well, I made that look easy, but I'm sure it's all downhill from here. Let's have a look at the app, shall we? We want to download the Philips Hue Sync. Here you go. It's done. Well, that easy?
Craig?
Yeah?
You've only downloaded the app, mate.
All right. All right, thanks for that, Ben. Is your Hue Sync box set up? Yes. Is the LED indicator blinking blue? Yes. Your mobile device within 30 centimetres of the Hue Sync box? It is, though, isn't it?
He's now.
Oh, please don't let this take forever. Success. Press button on your Hue bridge to connect. Come with me. You already have to have the Philips Hue light and bridge in order for this to work. OK, watch these stairs, guys. We are in the older part of the building. This is the Hue bridge. Press the button. And nothing's happening. Press it longer. Press it longer still. I don't know what to do now, then. I mean, how hard could it be? Ben?
Yeah?
Is the LED indicator on the Hue Sync box blinking blue?
No.
Ah!
It's white.
Press that button for me.
Yeah.
Let me know when it's blinking blue.
It's blinking broken.
OK, so retry. U-bridge found. Press the button on your U-bridge to connect. Is that back up there again? And whose idea it was to put the bridge up there and the telly down here?
Leave your phone here.
It's actually on it.
Which way is it, don't press?
Yeah. Let me know when it's connected, will ya? I'm pressing.
Oh, it's connected. It's connected.
Let's have a look.
Anna,
Wow.
Elsa,
That's quite good.
Sven,
Oh, see that? It's quite spectacular now, especially when it goes from like that russety red to the sort of cold white and then the russety red again. You can get sucked in for a little bit. Let's try syncing it with music, shall we? Whoa, now that works. Now the lights are in sync with the music as opposed to the pictures, and it looks really, really good. It's such a shame, having gone up and down those rickety stairs, I'm too knackered to dance. Oh, go on, I'll give it a go. Yeah, ma! Hey. Funky cameraman. I think I'm gonna get a bungalow.